everybody, and welcome to Doncaster Motorcycles, another YouTube video, another bike for sale. We've just taken this SV650 in, 2001 on a Y. Mileage is an incredibly low 8,492. First time, as you would expect, no turning over for 10 minutes like some of the older bikes. Tyres are good, recent chain and sprockets. Comes with a full MOT, we'll take your bike in part exchange. It's even got the retrofit tax disc holder on, look. Hey. Yeah, she's a little beauty and a proper bargain of a bike. These are very, very popular machines, these Suzuki SV650 S. I don't think we'll have it long. So if you're in the market for one, give us a bell on 01302 364 311. That number there. Oh, that number there. We've got it everywhere. But yeah, give us a call. This bike could be your next machine or your first. Perfect for a first timer.